Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you our new launched A3 UV DTF printer in 2023. What is UV DTF? It's a new printing method that uses UV curing technology to print designs on films. Designs can be transferred onto hard and irregular shaped objects by pressing down with fingers and peeling off the film. Our previous UV DTF printer needs to print the pattern on A film first and then needs a laminating machine to attach B film to A film. This new printer is a roll-to-roll printing and laminating all in one. This helps eliminate the need for laminating machine, as one machine can be print A film and laminate B film automatically at the same time. In application, it can be applied to almost all hand materials, such as ceramic, glass, acrylic metal, plastic. So, please note that this UV DTF printer cannot be applied to clothes. If you want to transfer it to all fabrics, what you need is a DTF printer. Okay, let's take a look on our UV DTF printer. Key panel. First, from the appearance, you can see the printer's key panel. You can operate the machine or set parameters here. Dual Epson F1080 print head. Opens the machine flip, you can see two print heads. The printer is equipped with dual Epson F1080 print head. Max print width is 30 cm. Ink damper heating. This part is the ink damper. Like our DTF printer, we add the heating function with this technology. The printer can work normally in an environment with large temperature differences. In the printing process, the heating function can ensure the good fluidity of the ink. Automatic nozzle cleaning system. This new UV DTF printer is similar to the Star 4 DTF printer. It also supports regular automatic nozzle cleaning. When the printer is online, it loads inks and cleans automatically, which not only helps reduce overall maintenance costs, but also saves time through automation. Platform heating device. The platform of the new UV DTF printer is equipped with heating devices. This can ensure that the printed pattern becomes dry instantly. Mute linear guide. Mute linear guide makes operating stable and has low noise. The friction between the slider of the silent guide rail is greatly reduced, and the retention of lubricating grease is improved, thus achieving low noise, high speed, long service life, and long-term operation without maintenance. Ink supply system. Back of the machine, here is the ink supply system. This printer has 7 ink cartridges: CMYK, white, varnish, or glue. With 500 ml ink cartridges, it can print patterns with rich colors. In the printing process, the white and colorful inks as well as varnish output simultaneously. CMYK plus W and varnish print simultaneously. The varnish printing area is as smooth as a mirror, without bumps and bubbles. High quality varnish output has strong adhesion and abrasion resistance. Therefore, the printed patterns will not fade with internal brightness. Furthermore, the white and colored ink as well as the varnish can be output simultaneously, and the varnish does not need to be laminated urgently. White ink stirrer. The white ink cartridges is equipped with stirring rod, which can prevent the white ink from setting. Low ink and waste ink alarm. The ink alarm device will make an alarm sound to remind you to add ink when the ink level is too low. When the waste ink bottle is full, the monitoring device will make an alarm sound. So these are the main functions and the selling point of the new A3 UV DTF printer. So let's start to transfer. So as you see, we have prepared a phone case, glass bottles, a mug, and acrylic plates. Take a look at the specific working process of the printer. Okay, let's cut the printed AB film, choose a suitable pattern. We first transfer it to the phone case to see the effect. Peel off B film, stick it to a proper position. Press down with fingers to make A film fit on the phone case and gently peel off A film and it's done. Okay, let's try other material applications. Wow, this A3 UV DTF roll-to-roll printer is made for small printing and customized businesses. It applies hard materials such as bottle logos, UV stickers, phone cases, so if you want to get high profits in the digital printing industry without too much investment, you can consider this printer. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in our UV DTF printer, give us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe our channel. We will update more relevant videos later. Thank you, bye bye.